Hello everyone, this is a time for me to finish activity 5, Zero to Low Resources, and I would like to submit my video to show you what we can do in a low resource classroom. Now, let me show you. Okay. Hello, moderator and friends. I'm excited about coming back to the school after some day off until holiday in Vietnam. This week, we had time to make discussion about low resource classroom, and in this my video, I made it by Screen-O-Matic in order to show you how I have been teaching English as a foreign language in Vietnam and what can you do in a low resource classroom. As you can see, this is a visually enhanced classroom. By using visual, image, and other media to teach concepts, we can encourage learners to show what they know through visual imagery, and we can use a scout note or maybe using visual literacy instruction. And I myself, one of the teachers who like to use visual aid to teach my young learner vocabulary, especially in my speaking and writing lesson. I also bring the class with many kind of fruits, candy, and other school things for warm-up activity, creating atmosphere for special and important lesson, and for present or gift when my pupils get good marks or do result at school. Especially, I would like to tell you more about my mapping and brainstorming by body language, movement, miming, and music because they are useful and helpful when the teacher actually pay much care for the lesson. I believe that most of us here are adjustable in teaching as well as in learning with the help of the resources we make for ourselves. Drawing, I think drawing is another way to express my idea or to show the children how funny and colorful is the language they learned. I'm not always drawing pictures on board, but sometimes I make them in paper sheet before coming to the class. My learners are also asked to draw something they need to focus on before, during, and after the lesson. Can you get this? Yeah, most of you know that is a word puzzle game. And that is also the way I can do to teach new words or checking vocabulary, simple sentences in my classes. Word puzzles are made by wood, by plastic, or even by paper postcards. I think most of you can do the same, so I'm not the odd. It's very easy to make cards like this, and our children are eager and ready to start and finish the lesson as well. Finally, I recommend you to use flashcards in teaching a foreign language. Of course, it's English here. Flashcard. This one, you can see many colorful paper sets. It's a very cheap to make and easily to be used that all the teacher and student can get for both teaching and learning themselves. In here I show you the card made of colorful paper in which topic or what are included. This kind of cards can be used in many lessons such as in speaking lesson, in reading lessons, in writing lesson, and maybe in all the lessons, and we can reuse these cards many times, so it's very economical to adapt this for you in school. thank you. I must say thank you again for everything I get during the course of 5 weeks here. A Sway Office Com is an extremely wonderful source for us to explore too. Thank you again. Goodbye.